little bit low.
I've seen better.
It loses.
There we go.
I call second dibs.
What?
I call second dibs.
What? He's shooting the first one. I mean,
I called second.
like right above it. It's gonna. It should hit it. Just behind the fat one. You gotta look though.
Safety's on.
Watch.
Oh yeah.
Video ready for this.
Can only buy so many explosives a day in Texas.
Oh, you can buy as much as you want. Which is weird. You can buy as many explosives as you want, but you can't buy fucking ammo.
What?
Fucking idiots. I'm gonna miss a couple, I'm sure.
That's so satisfying.
I just love it.
Fuck fireworks.
There you go. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, dude, that round was. Yeah, I did it already. Oh.
Ready?
Oh, what in the hell?
We both shot it at the same
I was trying to catch the brass.
There you go.
That works.
That's how you do it.
I don't know if I got that.
Let me go get the GoPro.
I think I got it. I think you got it.
Give Lewis.
Go ahead.
Ready?
Yep.
That only went into my backyard.
Oh, it's fucking awesome.
That was fucking awesome, dude.
I already like this thing.
Hey, you fucking guys and y'all safeties.